Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. First of all, I'm sure you can tell, but apologies, my voice is absolutely a mess right now. Alhamdulillah, I feel good, but my voice is still a mess. Just came back from Hajj, Alhamdulillah, I'm still alive, Alhamdulillah. It was by far the best experience I've ever had, the best feeling that I've ever had. Honestly, I will talk about more as we go and time goes by, but I just want to say, if you ever get the chance, if you've got the money, if you've got the means, if you can do it, don't delay it. Do it. Wallahi al-Azim is the best feeling you will ever get. I'm so blessed, I'm so thankful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given me the opportunity to go and perform Hajj. It's been absolutely fantastic. It was tough, it was hot, it was, it was hard. It was hard, but Alhamdulillah, I'm still here. The only thing that I came back with is just a flu. Alhamdulillah, I'm on antibiotics and all sorts of things, but Alhamdulillah, it's worth all of that. I'll get better soon. I'm already better, Alhamdulillah. I don't have any proper symptoms other than just my voice just coming back slowly. But yeah, if you can do it, brothers and sisters, wallahi al-azim, I encourage you to do it. Sell one of these stupid stocks that we got here. There's nothing like it. I'll be honest with you, I will sell every single stock in this portfolio to actually go back again and again as much as I can. Now I've been there, it's absolutely amazing, and I pray I get the chance to do it again, InshaAllah. But yeah, if you get the chance, go ahead and do it. In today's video, I want to share with you a brand new stock that I have actually added to the portfolio last week Friday. I want to share with you the company, the reasons why I bought this company, and trying to kind of give you an overview of where the portfolio is. Next couple of days, I've got, inshallah, hopefully my voice will get better, but I've got about 4 or 5 videos I've planned, including the portfolio update, the dividends update, just a couple of stocks that I've been looking at. There's a lot more stuff that I've got planned, inshallah. Although I will be traveling throughout July, I plan to release as many videos as I possibly can, inshallah. And hopefully, apologies for my voice for today, inshallah, it will get better next few days. The company that I want to talk about today is Nike. Okay, Nike reported its earnings just basically last week Friday, I think it was, on the 29th. They missed their basically EPS, but they actually beat the revenue by 250 million direct sales. So this means basically companies or people going straight to the company buying their products was actually up, okay, about 15%, I think it was, in compared to the prior year. Wholesales was slightly down. They talked about basically buying back. They've got a lot of inventory right now, 8.5 billion, and I think maybe this is kind of added to the pressure, and actually the stock went down, I think about 2-3%, whatever it was, or 4%. So that's when I actually initiated a new position. They're talking about buying back their own shares here, okay, which is absolutely brilliant. Looking at the financials today, so what I want to do is I want to share with you where the company is at right now and the reason why I initiated this, okay. So currently, if you look at the year to date, it's down about 7%. In the last 6 months, it's down 7%. Just this month is up about 3%. PE is quite high at the moment. It's about 29, but this company trades around that much anyway normally, and EPS is $3.77 right now. If we look at the ratings for analysts, the coin basically saying is a hold at the moment. Seeking Alpha is actually a hold, and obviously Wall Street, as usual, they're very bullish on every single company, but they have 17 strong buys and 8 buys, and hold is about 8, and no one is selling it, but 2 strong sells at the moment on this. The price they're expecting for Wall Street is about 18% upside from where it is right now, and 130, which is basically where also same thing is for Morningstar. So it's 4 stars, as you can see at the moment, and it's 20% discounted. $138 per share is where the price is at. It has a wide economic mode, and this company is absolutely, like, every single time basically you meet someone, just look around, just check what they're wearing, their trainers, their shirts, and not shirts but their t-shirts and stuff, especially with sports. Okay, they basically sponsor every single company out there. This is I think it's like almost $200 billion market company. Let me just go back here just to show you the market cap of this company. I think it was 190 something, I think 160 something, so almost 170 billion, 170 billion market cap, so which is absolutely huge. They do have about 3.8 billion free cash flow, and in terms of returning to shareholders for the last 10 years, okay, they have returned about 14%. So 14% return in total return is the last few years. They have excellent dividend, and as you can see here, the dividends is very safe, so 99%. Okay, if you look at the dividend yield is actually quite small, but like 1.23. It's gone up actually since, because the market cap is actually down quite a bit. 40% payout ratio, which is actually really decent. 11% latest increase. The latest 5 years was 11%. Looking at the dividend growth streak of 21 years, so 4 more years this company will become a dividend aristocrat. They pay you $1.36 basically for every share of this company that you own. The other thing I want to show you quickly is they're buying back their own shares. Okay, so let me quickly find it. There we go. So 1.81 to now 1.57. So they're buying back their own shares as well. And as you can see, the total sales is absolutely increasing and heading in the right direction. Just a couple of more things. In terms of total revenue, you can see it's $37 billion to 44 in 2021. 2022 was 46, and then 50 trailing 12 months. So it's definitely heading the right direction when it comes to that. And net income is also from 2.5 to 5.6 billion dollars. Now when we look at the cash flow here, and we're looking for free cash flow, you can see from 1.3 to right now 3.7, or almost 3.8 billion dollars. Honestly, in my opinion, this is absolutely a solid company. This is more of a basically growth company, if you like. And when you look at their earnings, the EPS estimates they're expecting, so there's up to, if we just concentrate for the first 3, you can see 16.8, almost 17% year on year growth, another 17%, another 15%, 12%, 16. So you can see it's actually double digits every single year. And when you look revenue from 53 billion to, in about 4 years down the line, almost $67 billion. So everywhere you look at, this company is doing absolutely amazing job. It's gone down quite a bit. It looks like it's 4-star right now, and for that reason I decided to buy a little bit of the shares of this company. And one of the 3 things that I've already mentioned to you guys before was that we actually own Nike in the family portfolio. The kids actually, when I told them about that portfolio and I asked them what they would like, they obviously, we talked about, especially my son, basically wanted to invest in Nike because obviously he wears Nike trainers and all of that stuff. And one of the things that I've mentioned to him was, you know, tell me one of the companies whose product he used all the time and stuff. And that's one of the companies that he mentioned. And luckily at the time, I think it was below 100, or it was about $100 per share. So I bought basically a few shares, and actually we've been increasing ever since. So right now on Friday, I think it was, I've bought 10 shares of this company, and as you can see, it's a little bit up at the moment. My average is $110 per share, or 86 pounds right now. What I'm going to do, inshallah, is to build this position to at least to be 4 or 5% of all my overall portfolio, inshallah, in the next few years. Now there are, so that's Nike, and that's the reason I bought. By the way, this doesn't mean you should go and buy it. Obviously you do your due diligence. If you're happy with it, then go and buy the share if that's what you want to do. But there is obviously, just always make sure you're doing your own research, please. The final thing I want to talk about today is AstraZeneca has just basically reported one of the basically cancer drugs that they have had, and in phase 3, I think something has happened. They're going to continue basically with the trial and see how it goes, maybe get more data, but for that reason it's actually gone down 7.3. And this is, like I said to you guys before, this is one of the companies that I want to build. Basically I want to add more of, So for that reason, I want to share with you that I'm actually buying 2 more shares of this company since it's down about 7%, and overall I'm down now and 11% overall on this stock. So this now gives me a great opportunity to build this, because I really wanted this company to be at minimum of 4 to 5% of all portfolio, inshallah. And as you can see, I've just bought 2 more shares. I'm now on 17 shares, £1,783.50. That's basically my cost basis so far. So inshallah, we'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've struggled throughout the video. I'm sorry about my voice, but inshallah I will be hopefully next few days I will get better. And I have got honestly 2 amazing videos coming up, especially because there's a lot of buys and sells that I made recently. The dividends have been absolutely amazing, so I can't wait to share with you guys all of that, as well as a couple of basically normal stock, undervalued stocks for July and so on. Inshallah, I will be posting in the next few days. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, let me know if you have any questions, and if you haven't joined us on the Patreon yet. And thank you to everybody. It's been absolutely amazing. While I've been away, a lot of people have actually joined the Discord, so when I came back and checked it, I was like, alhamdulillah, people actually appreciate what we're doing here, guys. Once you've joined, okay, you've got access to all of this. Don't forget that. Just download all of this stuff, that including the ebook, which I haven't talked about much of yet. Okay, you got the Discord as well. I will be heading to the Discord inshallah tonight to answer some of your questions, to see what you guys been talking about, inshallah, and then keep posting it as well. There's some of the buys and sales that I made in this month, inshallah, before the next video. Have a wonderful day. Assalamu Alaikum.